You are welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 5 to the power x plus 1 plus 5 to the power x minus 1. This is equal to 60. So what is the value of x? Now solution from here, we have that 5 to the power x plus 1. This is in the form of 8 to the power n plus m, which we can express as 8 to the power n multiplied by 8 to the power m. Here we have 5 to the power x minus m. This is in the form of a to the power n subtract m, which we can express as 8 to the power n divided by 8 to the power m. So applying this two exponent property, then we have 5 to the power x multiplied by 5 to the power 1 plus, this is 5 to the power x divided by 5, this is equal to 60. Now the next step here, 5 to the power x is common here, so let's factor out 5 to the power x, so that here we'll have 5 plus, this is 1 over 5. So 5 is our whole number, so this is over 1. Then this is equal to 60. Now here we'll have 5 to the power x into the bracket here. The LCM here is 5. So you'll have 5 divided by 1, this is 5. 5 times 5, this is 25. Plus 5 divided by 5, 1 times 1, this is 1. All this is equal to 60. The next step here, we have 5 to the power x multiplied by, now this is 25 plus 1, and this is equal to 26 over 5. So from here, we multiply both signs by 5 over 26. Here we'll have 60 times 5 over 26. So let's simplify here, so that here we'll have 5 raised to the power x. This is equal to, now we divide here by 2. 60 divided by 2, this is 30. 26 by 2, this is 13. So we'll have 30 times 5, which is 150 divided by 13. The next step here, to solve for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides. So that here we'll have log 5 to the power x, this is equal to log 150 divided by 13. So we find that log 5 to the power x, this is in the form of log 8 to the power n, which we can express as n log a. Applying this power rule property of logarithm, then log 5 to the power x becomes x log 5. This is equal to log 150 divided by 13. Then we divide both signs by log 5. Here we have log 5 by log 5. So let's simplify here. Now let's divide both signs by log 5, so that x is equal to log, this is 150 divided by 13, all this divided by log 5. Now we find that log 150 divided by 13, this is in the form of log a divided by b, which you can express as log a subtract log b. So applying this property, then x is equal to log 150 divided by log 5 subtract log 13 divided by log 5. So we can express 150. We can express 150 as 25 multiplied by 6. Let's substitute this, so that x is equal to log 25 times 6 divided by log 5 subtract log 13 divided by log 5. Now log 25 times 6, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this property, we'll have x is equal to log 25 divided by log 5 plus log 6 divided by log 5 subtract log 13 divided by log 5. Now from here, we have x equal to, now log 25 can be expressed as log 5 to the power 2 divided by log 5 plus log 6 divided by log 5 subtract log 13, this divided by log 5. So let's proceed from here. Now applying the power rule property of logarithm, we can express log 5 to power 2 as, this is 2 log 5 divided by log 5. We have here log 6 divided by log 5 subtract log 13 divided by log 5. So the next step here, we simplify log 5 and log 5 so that x is equal to 2 plus log 6 divided by log 5, then subtract log 13 divided by log 5. So log 6 divided by log 5 and log 13 divided by log 5, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which you can express as log a to base b. Now let's apply this logarithm property so that now we'll have x equal to 2 plus log 6 to base 5 subtract log 13 to base 5. Now this is the value of x. This is the value of x. Now let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation by following these steps. Let's verify that x, which is equal to 2 plus log 6 to base 5 subtract log 13 to base 5, satisfies the equation. Now if you recall here, we end that 5 to power x plus 1 plus 5 to power x subtract 1, they should give us a value of 60. Now, this is the same thing, substituting the value of x here, we will have 5 to power 2 plus log 6 to base 5 subtract log 13 to base 5 plus 1 here, then plus, now here we'll have 5 to power 2 plus log 6 to base 5 subtract log 13 to base 5 subtract 1, this is equal to 60. Now I find that 5 to power 2 plus log 6 to base 5. Now let's add here 2 plus 1, this is 3. So we'll have 5 to power 3 plus log 6 to base 5 subtract log 13 to base 5 plus, here we'll have 2 subtract 1, which is 1, so plus 5 to power 1 plus log 6 to base 5 subtract log 13 to base 5. This should give us a value of 60. So let's proceed. Now we have that 5 to power 3 plus log 6 to base 5 subtract log 13 to base 5. This is in the form of a to power n subtract m, which you can express as a to power n divided by a to power m. Applying this exponent property, then we'll have 5 to power 3 plus log 6 to base 5 divided by 5 to power log 13 to base 5 plus, now here we have 5 to power 1 plus log 6 to base 5 divided by, here we have 5 to power log, here 13 to base 5. This should give us a value of 60. Now this is 5 to power 3. You can express this as 5 to power 3 multiplied by 5 to power log 6 to base 5 divided by 5 to power log 13 to base 5. So here we have 5 to power 3 multiplied by 5 to power log 6 to base 5 divided by 5 to power log 13 to base 5 plus 5 to power 1 here plus log 6 to base 5 divided by 5 to power log 13 to base 5. This is equal to 60. 5 to power 3, 5 to power 3, this is equal to 125. So here we have 125 multiplied by Now 5 to power log 6 to base 5, this is in the form of m to power log a to base m, which we can express as a. So essentially, if you have 5 to power log 6 to base 5, this will give us a value of 6. So let's substitute here, 125 times 6 divided by, now here we have 5 to power log 13 to base 5, and this is supposed to give us a value of 13. So here we divide by 13, then plus, we have 5 to power 1. This is 5 to power 1 multiplied by 5 to power log 6 to base 5 divided by 5 to power log 13 to base 5. Now again here we have 125 multiplied by 6 divided by 13 plus, now here we have 5 multiplied by 5 to power log 6 to base 5, which is 6, divided by 5 to power log 13 to base 5, which is equal to 13. So divided by 13, this should give us a value of 60. So here we have the LCM here as 13. So we'll have 125 multiplied by 6. So this is 6 times 5, 30, 3, 6 times 2, 12, plus 3, 15, carry 1. So that is 750. So we have 750 here, plus we have 6 times 5, which is 30, divided by 13. This should give us a value of 60. So here we have 750 plus 30, and this is equal to 780. So divided by 13, this should give us a value of 60. So here we simplify here by 13, 1, by 13 here, this is 6th. 780 divided by 13, this is 60. So we have 60 is equal to 60. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And that affirms that the value of x, which is equal to 2 plus log 6 to base 5, subtract log 13 to base 5, actually satisfies the equation. So follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe.